Hey everyone, welcome back to Cypher and Cypher's channel. Alright, today we have the HYPSILOPHODON from the Jurassic World Hammond Collection. Let's check the side of the box. It says it has the increased posability, multiple points of articulation, and dynamic accessories for epic scene creations. And right now we still cannot find the Mutodon. And we're gonna compare this to the Chaos Theory HYPSILOPHODON. This is my touch-up right here, and this is the original. And I have one custom paint too. I'll show it to you later. But for now, we're gonna check the box and compare to the Dryosaurus. Why does it look the same as the Dryosaurus? Except for the paint color. Look at that, the styling. It's super weird. Same as the side box. It's a totally different creature. Well, I don't know. Look at that. Yeah, super weird. And for some reason, this Chaos Theory HYPSILOPHODON has a feathered antenna and lots of feathers, actually. But this one, I don't see any feathers. So let's check it out. We're gonna unbox it. Okay, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna compare it to all my HYPSILOPHODONs here. We got 4 now. Oh wow. Look at the box. The tail. Let's take out the tail. Look at that. We have the extra jaw right here. Because the jaw does not articulate. So we have to pop it in. Look at that. Super weird. There we go. We have it out. Now we're gonna put the tail in. Look at the colors in it. It looks like a real lizard too. Super cool. There, you hear that pop sound? It snapped in. Alright, it has some cool articulation. I don't know what those are. Looks like a damage. Huh, weird. Whoop. We'll check the eyes. It has brown eyes with a black pupil. It has a splash of red on its eyes. I wish they just made the jaw articulated, not, you know, changing it like this. That's good that they painted the claws brown. Let's check the legs. You got the serial number right there. And then the year it was made, it says 2026 right there. However, they didn't paint the dew claw again. I don't know when Mattel keeps forgetting that part. So let's check the jaw. Let's pop this out. Let's change it. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm gonna ruin it. Okay, there you go. Let's put this jaw in. There. Look at that. A little different now. You can still see the teeth though. Looks good. So let's compare to the original Chaos Theory HYPSILOPHODON. Definitely totally looking different now. The body, this one's like feathered. This one doesn't have any feathers at all. And then my touch-up HYPSILOPHODON. I give some yellow feathers. What else? The legs right there, give some yellow stuff. And let's check the DNA scan. And I'm gonna show you my custom paint HYPSILOPHODON. I bag it right now. I copied the color of the Hammond Collection. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that, huh? What do you guys think? See? Oh, totally different. I kind of sort of missed it out. I thought it would be the same. I gave some green dots as well, including the neck. Made the eyes brown. Painted the claws as well, make it brown. The claws on its feet, even the dew claw. I always like the dew claws painted. Look at that. The feathers on the back. I gave a little splash of green. Dark green. I can't open up the the DNA scan anymore because of the sealant. But yeah, not bad though. So this is the original HYPSILOPHODON from Chaos Theory. These are all Chaos Theories, same as this. I just painted it. There we go. So we have 4 HYPSILOPHODONs now. Cool. Maybe one day, maybe next year, Mattel will make this a dino reveal. But speaking of dino reveal, I have 2 of the new ones. That'll be the next one. So back to our main guy right here. Yep. I should have made the lime green darker. Too bright. But that's cool. See, almost the same though. I don't know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And thanks a lot, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And you guys have a good day now. Have a good weekend. Fairly well.